Drones are changing the world. They are not just for taking pictures anymore. Drones are becoming essential tools. They help people in many ways. Think of drones as flying robots with big potential. They can deliver things, collect information, and even help in emergencies. This is just the beginning. Drones are becoming more common. They are also becoming more advanced. This means they can do even more to help humanity. Drones are connecting people in remote areas. Imagine a village in a far-off place. It may be difficult to reach by car or truck. Drones can deliver medicine and supplies to these areas. This means people can get the help they need faster. Drones can also provide internet access. This is important for education and staying connected with the world. Drones can help people with disabilities. They can carry groceries or other items. This gives people more independence. In Florida, drones helped after Hurricane Ian hit. They found missing people and assessed damage. This helped rescue workers save lives. Drones also help farmers. They can spray crops and monitor plant health. This helps farmers grow more food. The future of drones is exciting. Imagine flying taxis in cities. This is called urban air mobility, and it could change how we travel. Drones can also work together in swarms. This means they can tackle big jobs like planting trees or cleaning up pollution. We need to think about how drones will impact our communities. How can we use this technology to make a better future for everyone? Let's embrace the possibilities.